In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an article on LinkedIn. We'll go through the full process from opening your LinkedIn feed to publishing your finished article, so you can create something professional, clear, and ready to share with your network. To begin, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your connections. Starting here makes it easy to access LinkedIn's built-in publishing tools. Once you're on the feed, look for the option that says Write Article and click on it. This will open the article editor, which is where you'll build and prepare your post in a longer form format. This is different from a regular LinkedIn post because articles give you more space to explain ideas in depth. Next, add a cover image or video by clicking the Upload from Computer option. A strong cover visual helps your article look more polished and can make it more appealing to readers. Choose something relevant to your topic and make sure it looks clean and professional. After that, click on the title area and enter your title. Your title should clearly tell people what the article is about. Try to keep it direct and easy to understand so readers immediately know what value they'll get from reading. Then click into the body section and add your content. This is where you'll write the main article. Focus on making your message easy to follow and organize your thoughts in a way that feels natural for the reader. If you already have your text prepared, this is a good time to paste it in and review the formatting. At the top of the editor, you'll see formatting settings you can use to style your article. These tools help you shape the final look of your content. You can use them to improve readability and make important sections stand out, which is especially helpful if your article is detailed or covers multiple points. When everything looks good, click Next. This takes you to the final stage before publishing, where you can review how your article will be presented. Before posting, add your caption. This short caption gives context to your article and appears with it when it's shared. Keep it concise and engaging so it encourages people to click and read. Then click Next again to continue. This gives you one more chance to confirm everything is ready. Finally, click Publish. Your LinkedIn article will go live and become visible on the platform for your audience to read and engage with. And that's how to write an article on LinkedIn from start to finish. Take a moment to review everything before publishing, and you'll have a much better chance of making a strong impression.